Have you ever stopped yourself from trying something new just because you were afraid of failing? Afraid of being judged, afraid of wasting time, afraid of hearing people say, "I told you so"? Today, I want to share a powerful story and some practical tricks that will help you overcome the fear of failure and move forward in life with confidence. There was a young man who always dreamed of starting his own business. He had ideas, motivation, and even the skills, but every time he thought about taking the first step, fear stopped him. He imagined failing. He imagined losing money. He imagined people laughing at him and saying he wasn't good enough. So instead of trying, he stayed where he was safe, comfortable, and unhappy. One day, he met an old mentor who asked him a simple question: "What happens if you fail?" The young man replied, "I'll lose everything." The mentor smiled and said, "No, you will lose only one thing: your fear." That day, the young man realized something important. Failure was not the enemy. Fear was. Real-life examples: every successful person you admire failed many times. A student fails exams before becoming a topper. A speaker makes mistakes before speaking confidently. An entrepreneur faces losses before success. Failure is not a sign that you are weak. It is proof that you are trying. Practical tricks to overcome fear of failure. Change the meaning of failure. Stop seeing failure as an end. See it as feedback. Every failure teaches you what does not work. Use the worst-case scenario. Ask yourself, what is the worst that can happen? Most of the time, the answer is not as scary as your imagination. Take small steps. You don't need to take a big risk all at once. Start small. Small actions build confidence. Detach your self-worth from results. Failing at something does not mean you are a failure. It only means the method failed, not you. Practice failing on purpose. Do things where failure is safe. Learn a new skill. Try something new. This trains your mind to stop fearing mistakes. Powerful message: fear of failure keeps dreams locked inside people. But the moment you try, even if you fail, you grow stronger. The real failure is never trying at all. If this message helped you, like this video and share it with someone who needs motivation today. Subscribe to the channel for more powerful stories and life-changing ideas. And remember, your future is on the other side of fear.